Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the Mini Moon Moth in Heartopia. This Mini Moon Moth has a unique shape and a unique color like this. It's so beautiful. It has a blue color, light blue color like this, and I think it's perfect for the vivarium for the decorations. And to get this, mini moth, Mini Moon Moth, you can catch it almost all time from 6 a.m. until midnight, and you can and then you can catch it on the suburbs and on the sunny and rainbow weather. And usually this insect can be found on near trees or at the trees. This one you can see it. So just equip your tools, your insect tools, and then just catch the insect like this. And okay, you will catch the mini moon moths like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.